so for a circle very man my sign Ajinogo bim say dey am be say ya na me dey personality profile segment and na say celebrity profile segment to fani na be beje so amana yi ena so dwuma di na dey brem no e be pie mu e wo Upper West region wa asem na me no eken na me kan ena wase say aboni abonyina no ndwuma di adigu eye yam page ho munya adaje ko na mohwe muna nwie dey betuma ye dey abo na say bronyina no be subscribe na kai o subscribe no abo notification bell so di bia to ho a onso so benya kwan no afidi shema nwi onso so enya kwan enhwe bi sanse nduma di a wedi no amansanti na ye say di enso be hye yenkran na benya nyina no be di abro amanema atumi awie pere ene na bi ka kache ba be pimu ewo wa asem na me kan na ne one of the Afro pop musician and ne ye be pimu commercial song or song right and so e ka ho me cha no e twa me ho aba me ba I will introduce to you my guest on the seat this afternoon. Good afternoon, stay clean and we'll be coming back. Bye bye.
The land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa, the land is good, the land is fine. Gold we have, diamonds we mine. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa.
Emo akwa ba say oguso ewo atwamidi kan ka say be piem ewo Upper West wa to be precise nipa anan ne be di ho nkomo wi ase ene Ghana nyina din agente enche ekwa ne din ewo social media kan ne be bisa no amwa chese ne din eye wela ba mom ko ka da Lions Africa obi a eni no ene ono na yensa aka no sister you welcome.
Thank you.
Mo yen sha say odi no ya na e confuse bi mo say Emmanuel and what was why Noela bi mo say Wela na intimo mo kan which is which
Your friend me Wiyala.
Okay.
Mrs. Saladin.
Okay.
Na me Catholic name no say Noela.
Okay.
That's my baptism name.
Okay.
But me a musician. But so who type in Noela? You want Noela bebre internet no. So me dey me person me fa me traditional name Mrs. Saladin name.
Okay.
Edipie ama we are saying you say your friend me Wiyala Rejimba.
Okay.
That's the real name. But for stage you just make it Wiyala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wiyala.
Wiyala.
Means what?
It means the doer knows best what they do. They are Wiyano. And you won't want to let me catch nipa say, this is what I do.
Okay.
If not you explain it, or being to me say, oh, I don't know way. Why do you do what you do?
Okay.
And if people don't ask you, they won't know. Okay. So the doer knows best what they do.
So the word needed is a doer.
Yeah, the doer.
Why not the doer, but instead the lioness of Africa, the lion?
Well, lioness and lions are found in Africa, okay. And they are very powerful. Okay. And when I go out there, they be a metonyuma. One time, Obi catch them and say now what no.
You resemble
like you remind us of this. You're like tough like a lioness.
Oh, yeah.
Then my manager was the one who said that,
okay.
And then my manager said, no, from now on we are lioness of Africa.
Oh, okay.
And the reason is that saying you say lions and Africa,
sure.
And the authentic ones and all that. And the way lion like the lioness, she hunts. She doesn't wait for others to hunt for her.
Okay.
She takes care of her cub, and she doesn't fear anything.
Okay.
She's very patient. Sometimes she will wait time he pray before she catch. So all those attributes, you know, me who say, me so me wobi. So let me use something that stands for Africa, something from Africa.
Okay.
So me the lioness. I be share like added it to my brand.
Nice. So I think say maybe I better celebrate say better on kind of social media na a different story altogether. And the answer so you have to you say be mo na baby am you baby am shase free very important. Be baby am shase no e be motivate we be. Am ho say am pam so metuma ye baby. Hey, let's go down. Where did you start from? Why did you even notice the music talent in you?
Oh, me started me started with sa. Like
Asa
dancing,
okay.
okay. Asa.
Okay.
And one day, me say, obi the points. I be chemi say, oh, Jay, why are there pan? Wow. Like when you grow up, you become a great dancer.
Okay.
So it was through dancing, but singing no dear. It was from church. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Now me join the Children of Mary at the church. My mother, me mama so chorister.
Okay.
Wa join the choir. So they be a call a church or sorry. I mean for ball So at the end of the day, I just realized that I could sing and drum at the same time.
Okay.
But at secondary school, now me joining entertainment.
Okay.
So through that, me share different kind of songs, just entertain the school and the crowd. Then from there, I just
so who you know where did you rap?
Upper West.
Upper West.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, woman. Wa Regional Hospital.
Okay.
But at the age of 11, no, you call a group.
Okay.
Funsi. Yeah, you call you na omuni electricity cra.
Okay.
Yeah, you call it was just typical African village chief palace.
Okay.
My grandfather, me nana. Yeah. By then he was the chief. Okay. So you call you na. Yeah, we're in the chief palace, but not like just simple buildings, traditional buildings. Okay. No roofing. It was the mat.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where we live. Okay. So, my adolescent life in where I developed breast and all that was in Fonsi. Yeah, so that's where I grew up.
So your educational background, what did you say?
Me called kindergarten. Then I said I was St. Andrews, Upper West. Okay. Then me called Atia Hamadia, Upper West. Okay. I continued to Canton Secondary School in Tumu. Okay. And then Takoradi Polytechnic in Takoradi. Then I just decided to go and do music. I decided say no, yeah, okay. But by then no. Now I'm a graphic designing, editing, and drawing. Oh. Naturally, I can draw.
You can draw.
And painting and all that.
Are you still drawing?
Oh yes, I do. Yes, I do. Okay. And so, like I heard they were doing Vodafone icons, that's the picture and all that. So they say at that point, they say maybe I percent me for entertainment, art entertainment. So that was when I left the school.
So parents know how were they coping? Say obey no say mo shase gina dwam esa no be start.
My parents, well, my papa dear, onu dear by then no was ro say and nyumtono. And far a yimbra like there was no money involved and all that. But my mama dear, only dear they be waka and say, oh, who dear na me dear nyame de be ma no. Whatever God has given you, she will support. Just go. You don't know what will come. So gradually, I had to work hard and prove to everybody, especially my papa said, no, there's something good that can come out of it. And then immediately, Wahumi, I was screaming, then he just said, yes, I was afraid, but hey, he's proving me wrong. So he became my number one fan.
Was there any support from your parents?
They couldn't. If I'm being honest. Like Sikani Niho. Okay. Yeah, like we're so many. Okay. So how many? We're 4 children, but me free extended family. Okay. Obia baya oba. Okay. Obia auntie yewo auntie. Obia nana yewo nana. So whoever needs that support at that time, it doesn't matter say oya uba ana onya uba. Okay. So my father will just have to support. So by the time it gets to you, if you're not lucky and it's finished, then you have to wait. So that's how the treatment was like. So music, nobody knew what music was about. Management, how to even record a song. Okay. So it took Obi Fufro, like different person to come in, say Obebuami. Then at that time, we needed family support, not only supporting me, like emotionally, spiritually, and all that. Like they pray for me, especially my mother. My dad supports me with everything that he can support, words of encouragement, and all the little things that they can do. Yeah.
So, in secondary school, music, how was it like?
Oh, secondary school, yeah, but then no, yeah, the dear bro, like we were just fooling around.
So now what's that? You dance?
Oh yeah, I was dance championship 2002 was it 2000? Yeah, and then now secondary school, yeah, you know, that guy, you know, rough. But then too, we're all like boy girl, you know, showbiz dancing here and there. But me, you know, not me bawa no na obi yenu no so oh he'll be the voice here fine friend over here back in vocals so that's how I started at Echo Sound Studio right here in Upper West.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So when did you do your first record?
Oh, my first record came out in 2005. It was produced by Razbingi Production, and the production the studio recordings was right in Upper West, Echo Sound Studio. And that time no me two English songs.
Okay.
Pop song, not producer and catch me say, wait dear, too big, me to produce way because the way you are singing, Anka so obi was sika bebre pa, obeti me boa but for now no, what dear calm down small now work for some simple local songs so that you better me produce it. Ama you know wafo no mutima sana or mutima to be.
Okay.
So that was when I discovered my African side really. So Mr. T, more traditional music, and boom, popular. Yeah.
And for the Lioness of Africa, you know, Miss Nebony Yamidin, Noella, and I say Viela.
I prefer Wiala.
Yes. I never born. You know, so if you come on. Yahweh na bra bomba bi o hyase aboboswa se ye betwa hono ya ba ye ba na nsen so social media nsem bi na mpo a woni the music industry na hyase e o issue security bia ye nim de bia me kasa Ghana sa asem ba ya na nipa na asem na fa na wo nya kwan kire ni nsem na obi ya kika kana de bi sa asem na nkasa nkasa san enete nko ba bia etwa ho ba ye ba betwa nko twetwa so. And also, so our opinion, a personality profile segment, you know, and as a celebrity profile with my friend Simon, a Negusua, the day a Brienne, we are for some kind of sending 2 more function, and yet Mikasa, and no, and the Gusua to come in, no, I shall say, of whom a brother will be or shall say, now play the show base, and saying summer a buy and Uncle say, baby son, not this year, watch it. The Lioness, recently issues be a puppet up Magana for another someone the realm, in some young some of us here, in your quite team 2 months and Casamano. We are fortunate saying, what actually happened? What was the problem?
Problem is, Nini, I hope I got it right.
You had
this
it right.
Is the problem. Mr. T, you know.
Okay.
Now, me the Sisal and Wally Dagari, like I told you earlier on, Mr. T.
Okay.
So, Mikra, by then, no meeting in country.
Okay.
Say, dear, Michino, Papa. Yeah, Kakra.
Yeah.
So, my popular for a long time, more than 5 years.
Okay.
So, Mikoye, Vodafone and Cosmic Stars in the future. Fortunately, after 4 years, I won.
Okay. So,
me buy, you know, the industry immediately, people say, oh, you know, tree is trending, which was true.
Yes.
Because tree there, it has gone big.
Everywhere.
That's even when we're here, we're all singing to Daddy Lumba, Match the Day, and all that.
Yeah.
So it was new. So me Kasano, some people thought that me free Cote d'Ivoire.
Okay.
Because they didn't know Upper West, there was even a place called Funsi Sisala language. So it was understandable. So that was a big challenge. So while I was dealing with that challenge and trying to see how I can maneuver my way, then it came my looks. Me who nyefe. Me te say bema, me who de dindi te say cassava, banche, me a banche, we are this, we are yeah, we are. So, but those insults, no, na enhame.
Okay.
Because my kitwano na me down for my friends used to make fun of me, woman, and all that. So it was normal. Even that made me popular.
Okay.
And also on the showbiz scene because of the looks, you know.
Yeah.
Now on my immediately popular. So I took it in a good way.
Yeah.
As if that was not enough. You now have to you're not playing the songs, fine. You are not finding me attractive, whatever. That's their own cup of tea, their business, fine. Now I found recognition outside Ghana.
Okay.
Then now you seem to have a problem with that again.
Wow.
Because now you are saying media me focus me music Ghana.
Okay.
I'm not even part of the industry.
Okay.
But I can vehemently tell you that in 2015, me call Walmart, I sang on a lot of tree songs, Tonga and all those songs, because sometimes you want to also tell them about other artists, so you sing their songs because you are promoting each other.
Yeah.
So that didn't go that well with me, because the Bia Omuka say, oh, we are a part of industry, a part of Ghana. Like she's not even part of our industry. Who are the industry people? Are we not all Ghanaians? So we see me part of industry. It means I'm not even a Ghanaian.
Okay.
You are not counting me in. So and I said, don't say that, because this has been going on for 15 years now. Like 7 years in Ghana music industry. I'll say 7 years. And that has led to me losing shows. Obi Free, CNN, Abeshemi, Ewa Ghana. No, Mokachira say, oh, that girl no cry. You don't want to interview her. She's not even around. Okay. Not by them Watema. Okay. It took her to go to a TV station. Okobisa me contact. Omuna de contact nama. Then Angelique Jobaha. Obeye show. Omu frame. My year rehearsals, everything. Just for the show to reach, Omu did the same national anthem. Akoto Biyala is not in the country. She's not even part of the country. Whatever. Wow. And meanwhile, I was there. Now Omu Yimi Free. So many things, and these are just the most important ones for me. That it happened, and I really didn't like it. Okay. So when Arnold and the other gentleman, Omu she's not even part of, because everybody's watching, and this words goes into people's minds. So it means whenever somebody is coming to look for me, they shouldn't even look for me anymore, because I'm not even part. But I've been part. I've performed at VGMA, whether I win awards or not. When I'm around, so I'm friend say, oh, we need you to come and perform. Maybe then you talk about how much you pay or however we discuss it. I always go. Okay. If I'm around, I'll go. Okay. I have not said because man winning awards, I wouldn't take part in other things, because I knew I wasn't going to be winning awards the moment my changing my style from rock my body to songs like Africa.
You see, I was asking, say, how do you, I didn't know to say, or more, they are saying you're not part of the industry. Is there anything that you think?
Because one, I think for me there are just two things. I'm not the usual. Manye, the usual kind of girl.
What is the usual?
Oh, the usual, like what we are seeing in the industry. I'm not going to mention it.
I'm not seeing
like the current crop of musicians, like what they claim is trending. Ghana, dear, once in a while we go one way for a long time, then we change. But music is diverse and it's open. We have reggae, raga, but for now, Omu concentrate on just on one or two genres. Okay. So if it's not your genre or your style of music, you just have to look elsewhere. Maybe one day when the industry is more open and allow all other genre to be part of everything going on, which will take a while. Some of us are fine. Yeah, it will take a while because the industry is growing and every day we are finding out things. So I'm not really against that. Okay. Yeah, but at the end of the day, it starts becoming a problem where they actually expect somebody else to change their genre to suit a certain genre because they can give you that recognition, which is not possible. But that is not even an issue for me. But I think the most important issue that makes a lot of people say media part is because I don't give my songs for free. I think that's one big problem. Okay. My songs are not
give their songs for free.
Oh, come on, almost every artist do free download. Okay. And they don't buy. Okay. It's free. Okay. So I can't keep giving free. If I keep giving free, it's like you go to the Wache seller and tell her to give you Wache for free every day. Okay. After 2 days, she won't come out.
And who said music I want from my film affected in a way?
It's not affecting me. For Ghana.
Yes.
It was affecting me. That's why I started looking elsewhere. Okay. Because royalties, I think Gamro and other music bodies are still working very hard to make it work.
This royalties now are not because as a nice or kind of no shit and not related to a year or the same. Or can say this royalty in some work nice or shit and to see.
Ghana, there are no royalties. Okay. Royalties. Let's be honest. Okay. And if you keep giving your songs for free, I have given some few songs for free. If you keep giving them for free, you know how much artists spend. We'll go hungry.
Yes,
there's no money unless shows, and those shows too. Sometimes like they are doing you a favor, so you just have to keep quiet and do them. So if they are, unless you have really made yourself very controversial and some brand associated to that kind of controversy finds you appealing, then they give you some huge amount of money or chunk of money, then you can. Or maybe you do a song for some politicians, then they give you money and all that. If not, royalties no. Ask a lot of the musicians. I'm not against anybody. Okay. I just speak my mind.
When I get Ghana to some you feel you said you're okay. Because now people say even Kurano because will be more real and number and someone to me talk about.
They are lying. They know all the songs.
Really?
Oh no. They know all the songs. They know all my songs. They Google them. You see the numbers. They Google.
Sir.
They know my songs. I've released videos upon videos, and that is them. Okay. But other people know my song. Sometimes it's just people trying to say things to justify whatever point they want to make. But
so do you see?
In Africa, in Rock My Body, Go Ghana. That song made it to the billboards. Are you telling me that the whole Ghana didn't see it?
Yes.
After Osibisa.
Yes. Yeah.
After Osibisa. Yeah. Look at all that year.
Yes.
The second artist to make it to billboard just to be featured was me. And you are sitting here telling me, sorry, not you. You are sitting there telling me that. No. But it's okay. It's normal. It makes the industry this thing.
Do you have problem with them?
No. I don't have. To be honest, I don't have problem with anybody. This was just an issue that I wanted to clear. Yeah. But I'm a human being, so I needed to let my emotions show. I'm not the kind of person that will lie just to cover up certain important things. Yeah. You know, we have white lies and we have bad lies and we have black lies and what. Yes. There are some lies you just can't tell, or you can't just pretend because you want peace. You just need to say them so that people understand. But I'm not fighting with anybody, honestly.
So after say or attitude, me say man no more can. Say I make a prayer con let it come Kevin Tiller now catch and say what happened like to asema kind. They said you stated something.
Well, later JMJ came and said sorry, it will never happen again, which means he won't talk about me again because they say Seobaka Masema, and then you are saying thumbs up to Wiyala, but not really thumbs up. I'm just saying don't talk about me because I realized that sometimes some of them will try and use me as statistics. Okay. When they try to sound good, they'll say, we have great musicians like Wiyala, the King, Aisobas, and all that. They always use you to talk for certain things, but they are not even paying attention to your music because at that time it suits them. So I'm saying don't use me. Or sometimes because sometimes then they'll go and put your name somewhere because they are trying to make somebody else look good. Okay. But after they are done, they don't give a damn about you. So I just say no. If you want to talk about me and use me for your statistics and to look good and all that, then you better support. Okay. But if you are not going to do that and all the time you are pretending, don't even mention my name. It's better you don't mention my name.
So are you thinking say Baby P?
I already have 3 songs.
Okay.
Kweku of Ghana.
Okay.
I met him in UK and we write. I don't have a problem singing the tree.
Okay.
But the thing is, my tree is not that good. My tree and yet that tight.
Okay.
So if I start singing tree, you guys will laugh at me.
And
I'm very honest. But the 3 song that Kweku wrote for me, I sang it. When you listen to it, you won't believe that I can sing tree.
Okay.
So that is where I say music brings people together. So I can't speak tree very well and sing. But if I find somebody, or now that I found someone who sings in tree, I sing in Sicilian. So we blend it. It's amazing. It's tree not Ghanaian language. It's Ghanaian language. When I go out there, you say and I say tell people I come from Ghana. One of the words they will say is that etisen. Because in the it's Islam, etisen. And I'll say again.
Okay.
Yeah, and I don't start saying I'm not an Ashanti. No, because I'm a Ghanaian. Okay. And I should even be speaking all the languages.
Okay.
So if somebody greets me in another language, I don't have to start saying, oh no, I'm a sister. No, I'll respond.
So, do you see some problems in the music industry at all?
My opinion doesn't really count. Because after that video, I promised myself I don't want to go into that area. If not, I'll end up being like some bitter person, frustrated person, which is not part of my life. I don't want to be frustrated or I don't want to be bitter. I don't I don't know. When you ask every musician, we don't really want to fight anybody. Yeni obi apple, right?
Yes.
We don't want to fight, but we just all these these business-minded people always trying to put our heads against each and make us say things. For me, I really don't want to say much about the industry anymore. I think the industry is growing,
Okay.
and new things are coming. People are opening their minds up, and a lot of us are thinking outside the box. But problems will always be problems. Maybe the one what I see say a problem, and your problem I'm a
Yeah.
So I can't sit here and say these are the problems. But what I would just say is that let's just appreciate more of Ghanaian music, and also allow musicians to be artistic, to entertain us. Yeah.
So far, did you say you know the music you have personally? Albums or singles?
Oh, I have 3 albums.
Okay.
The 4th one is coming, but I'm writing a new one already.
Okay.
Yeah, I always want to be 2 steps ahead. Yes.
So when I say the abano mudia hina, personally, you say you with the religion you have the spirit in it.
Wow, there are a lot. Number 1.
Okay. The minimum African Yemen.
Yeah.
But African.
Okay.
And it's number anyone.
Tinamba is more or less my signature song. Africa is very popular.
Give me the Africa. I like that.
So let's
song.
sing.
Yeah, 600 minutes.
The land is good, the land is fine. Gold be high, diamonds be bright. Yet we fight, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa.
So repeat and start again. The same words and
Okay.
Yeah.
The land is good, the land is fine. God we have, diamonds in mine. Yet we find, we cover it all in blood. Tell me why we wallow in the mud. Africa, 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 yeah. Mama Africa, we cry for peace. Africa.
Yeah. Very nice. I think say you mean you make power on Africa. They be a share that ball etia. Meaning Sheriff Ogunu or
Senior sister,
of late you're telling country.
She's around. Yeah, she's around. She's working, and I can't wait to have a collaboration with her.
Have you planned that?
Oh, we spoke. Discussed it some time ago, but due to the movement and touring, we couldn't get together. But I know it will happen when the forces allow us to get together, and it's coming. Yeah.
Okay. So you should expect something like that.
Oh yes, I expect something.
For Medica catcher or the African or go from the Lion of Africa, so piano on there for full minisa. We're going to be doing a personal life. Wow, among personal hot time and hot thing is separate this kind of stuff. Ladies and once I saw a wedding, and if I'm in San Nipapo in the coy, you don't know where they be American. Yano Mukwa, when you be some better from Miss Betumunia, and it's in a bunch of TV and share press also. If you are by a bar, you do remember your life, a crack when you look at. Na fia de nkomo twetwe no esmakacha o subscribe o Pon Champion TV o YouTube ya notification bell so abena abinya de bia to wa we first person na benya bia he e twa ho aba man ko bia ye ba e beto nkomo twetwe no so.
I'm not the kind of girl to sit in my tower and wait till you rescue me. I've never been good at playing the one who swoops at a bended knee. And I could probably outrun you, outsmart you. Heaven knows I will. 'Cause I've said it before, I won't just sit by your side, let you win to make you feel good. I'll tell the truth when you make me mad, won't just kill you with
Asidan kan se oguso ewo atweneyem ye ne yen sister ene eguso ankoma twetwe no ye de ebrɛ no ebesi akona so American ka kyerɛ se ebehwɛ na afi na ware mu nsɛm ene nyema ba ko mienu bia bia pese wo fie hu no ye bisa ho asɛm ede ma Uyala.
Yes.
I had it right.
Yeah, Uyala.
That is it. Oh, have you married?
Something like that.
Oh, I can't be sure of that.
Because in my tradition, if you don't go and pay cultural bride price, it doesn't matter if you married in the court or you run away, go engage somewhere else. It's not recognized until you come see the fathers and grandparents or elders of the woman. Then bring the usual things and also introduce officially until the free woman.
Now it is so yeah, I food wedding be many part for be bass and on there.
Oh, I only said at my wedding what people were there, and I'm just going to leave it like that. He's going, but yeah, that was just me.
Okay.
Being crazy.
Okay.
Yeah, but until traditional things are done, you can't really say that.
So you can't call that asem.
Yeah. No, I don't have children. I think I'm beginning to. In fact, I've started practicing to have one.
But do you see, sir, our with me at the name of Kakra in your music career? Have you thought of that?
Yes, and you know, it's a bit weird. You know, everybody and the way we think about marriage.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think I'm from a big family. I think I can handle it.
Have you thought of say there will be such a challenge?
Oh yeah.
Then how is it going to be?
I just see myself when I have children. I'm just going to leave the child with my mother, go run around the world, and come back, take care of the child. Oh, he must understand.
Wow.
Oh, definitely, he must understand.
I think so.
He has already gotten the knowledge and listen. Yes, this is me. I'm crazy. I am not going to be your usual everyday kind of a wife or woman, but you have to deal with me like that. I have other things to do. I need to sing. And I love singing. I want to be on the stage a lot. I'll make my own costumes. I'll run around and organize things. Are you going to be okay with that? So even when I have the baby, you can also babysit or get my mom to follow me around. But most importantly, I don't want to leave my child with any other person except my mother. If my mom is not around, I'm carrying my thing on my back. Yeah.
So, on also monitor our social media. How send your feeling one sort of things and be now say now to say
oh, he doesn't care.
He doesn't care.
He knows me.
Okay.
He knows me. Just like my family know me.
Okay.
All the things they, especially when I'm being interviewed, they laugh because if only they see me laughing at people commenting or saying nasty things about me on social media or trying to say nasty things. I wouldn't say people always say nasty things because these days I hardly hear a lot of people. Just once in a while people come and do that. So when we hear this once in a while, the whole family will be laughing. Okay. Because my mom will say, if only they know this, my daughter doesn't even care. Because in the house, I'm very jovial, funny. My sister was there when she came. Yeah. Even the dog was dancing. I was making our dog dance. Yes. So all these things are like because all these small, you know, my tino like long time when I was a child. So come on, say something.
There are some people that or more for this kind of issues than say or to say are you trying to do something for start to process which my boy might be this kind of
if you are watching, so we'll share.
Yeah.
If anybody is trying to bring you down, use it to your advantage. Okay. Look at the positive side. So these days, almost say more muscles. I showed more muscles, and that got me a lot of popularity. Say, the muscles are not nice. We have been telling you, and you have been showing it. Just look at her. Then they start sharing. Okay. Oh, just look at her. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. Then it was going on. Then while they were saying, look at her, she's even doing it more. They were sharing the message, right? So as they are sharing it, definitely it's not going to be everybody that will hate on you. Some good people picked it up and they started writing about it. They started inviting me because they took time to listen to my music. So they were listening to the art. They were not just seeing the person anymore. They just listened to me and I got more views. I'm going to say thank you to all the haters out there. You hate me because you are helping. And as for the ones that support, you are doing 10 times what the haters are doing. So I really, really appreciate you. And I want to say thank you.
Sena aborɔfo no cope with your music, especially the auto sasala and that kind of the local language, you know. Aborɔfo no sena ɔmo fa nyom because of being take kasa na respond
music.
Yes, it's dynamic though, but at least
when me call Abuchiri
fine.
yeah, first na Netherlands,
okay.
the dream country.
Okay.
Me call two Sali Wali, the guy even some tree.
Okay.
They didn't need to understand.
Okay.
No, we don't want to understand the language. It's beautiful. That was when I understand. Say music a universal language. You don't need to understand it. So they just embraced me, everything about me. They love it. And even though I would have loved when I started in Ghana for them to have the same attitude and they didn't.
Yes.
But gradually and finally, I would say thank you, Ghanaians. You have come around to understand me. Thank you for coming around after all these years of being stubborn. No, it's okay. I still love you guys.
So this COVID era affected music area.
COVID has affected me 53 shows.
Wow.
But
across
next year, yeah.
Countries being in
Australia, Germany, Netherlands, Canada. I was going to USA for the first time.
Okay.
And I've forgotten some of the countries. Yeah.
So probably after COVID, no,
most of the shows, they call 2021, but I'm still on the bill.
Okay.
Yes, I'm still on the bill. Yeah, just like they just lifted the whole thing and to next year. So it's good. Yeah.
When we have these local musicians in Ghana, I think some video profile we now say Michael Jackson, some of the people you are role models that you are looking up to, right?
I saw them when I was a kid. That time, now you need internet.
Okay.
So person who share movies.
Okay.
You have to go and rent CD, cassette.
Okay.
That one used to be boom like that.
Yeah.
Then even when you finish, you can put on something and do rewind.
Yeah.
That's what my father had.
Okay.
So you call rentee. There was some video library. So me, no matter share some guy be says that was Michael Jackson and another one Madonna.
Okay.
That was how I discovered. So I used to watch that. So that was my one of my inspiration because she's a woman and she's singing and I could see the muscles like this is like my white version and I'm like her black version. So I'm like, I like her bra. So when you see some of my clothing, I just make African brand and make them crazy. I think that's where I got some of the inspiration from. But I didn't go to like bleach and try to look like her because it never even crossed my mind. I just saw a musician. So when I started doing my own thing, I can be inspired by Madonna, but I don't have to kill myself to look exactly like her. She has inspired me to go out there and
Okay.
So, but I'm an African girl from Funsi, and I want the whole world to see me for who I am, how I live my life in my community, how we do things. So sometimes I don't understand why people say why Funsi because I'm from Funsi.
Okay.
Me from Funsi. I grew up in Funsi.
Okay.
And I know Funsi like the back and front of my palm.
Okay.
And I know what goes on. I understand the traditions better there. So there's no way I can even express myself more when I'm in Funsi.
Local artists no pay. You think some people go to be
Oh yeah. Local artists.
Yes.
Like listen to their songs.
Yes,
of course. All of them.
Okay.
All of them.
But you pay more. Do you like some of their songs?
Oh yeah, I do.
Why now?
Oh, a lot of them. From north to the south. I right now, if I choose, I know Ghanaians. The reason why I don't like mentioning names is the moment you mention a musician name, other groups say you are now something nation.
Okay.
You are something.
Do you have some nations in the industry?
No. Oh yes. Oh come on. We have big nations, Sam Nation, Shatta Nation. Patapa Nation, Petavisi Nation, Efia Nation, Efia
So you don't want to be at any nation.
And for the world.
You like their music.
Yeah, I love everybody's
music. But in front, I think say the match the days, the numbers, we don't have their nations.
Oh, so, I love them.
You like them.
I haven't rehearsed any of the songs, but one of the Baby Day.
Okay.
Another.
Yes.
Amachi the Day I love. I love Daddy Lumba, but I like Amachi the Day as well. Daddy Lumba, I used to love the way he used to make his jerrycans.
Okay.
And then he used to he did it. What was the name of it? His popular song. Doctor Pony, Doctor, oh no, it wasn't Doctor, Mr. Yemi, then we go like jungle. And everybody's going like this. You know.
Okay, so like that.
Charlie, it's not you. I love him. I love him.
But I hope Vanessa wants to be you collaborate with this before at least.
If I get the chance.
And have you made an effort to
not yet. You see, there are some people. For me, I'm a musician.
Okay.
And all musicians will tell you that there's some respect there you give to older people.
Okay.
You just can't rush because you are the hottest thing at the moment. You can just pick up a phone and say, hey, Daddy Lumba, do you know me? I'm the Lioness of Africa. Me, I want to do you a favor. I'm even featuring you. So be happy. You can't do that.
Yes.
They have set certain standards.
Yeah.
They have opened certain doors.
Yes.
When they were singing, some of us were not even born. We couldn't even clean our bottles well.
Okay.
So for me to go do a song with them, I need to sit down and plan a very good song that will match their personality, show some respect, like I did with the Osibisa cover.
Okay. Yeah.
When I covered the song, I looked for Teddy.
Yeah.
And I played it to him. He said the song is amazing. Release it. You have to show respect.
Yes. Give me that one.
Okay. We are going. Heaven knows where we are going. But we know we will get there. Boom boom, ti-boom, boom boom. We will get there. Heaven knows how we will get. But we know we will. It will be hard, we know that the road will be muddy and rough, but we will get there. Heaven knows how we will get. We know we will get there.
You are 33 now, I guess.
Yeah. I'm 30. Do I even know my age? That's my music age.
Okay. You're right.
Yeah. No, I think my music age is 16. I'll be 16, yes. I'm gonna be like this song.
Yes.
If you talk about me, I will smile my way out.
So apart from music, say music one year, do you know how to play football?
Oh yeah, I play small football.
Yes.
But it made me even more muscular and all that.
Okay.
But it wasn't really my thing.
Okay.
Yeah, I tried a bit of acting.
Okay.
And these days, I think I'm gradually going back into the acting movie kind of world.
Okay.
But I just love to concentrate on my music.
Okay.
Because I can't do all the things. I think I prefer writing, singing, and making my own costumes for stage.
Okay.
Yes.
So say, plan say over to me a champion now more the northern part of the country. I think some music and to me must send me break. The likes of Ayisuba, the likes of Sharifa. Apart from these few people are from the northern part. Though now say fancy I'm so okay, fancy so in Makasi ever. But you have the talents here. I think say in Chedan Filimo, especially about the southern part of the country.
Yeah.
What are you doing to help that?
I think that one is. There's a lot of tribalism in there.
Okay.
And I'm not saying that for South, even in the North.
Okay.
Come on, let's all be honest.
Okay.
We have to learn to come around and learn each other's culture because we are all Ghanaians.
Okay.
But I think that bridge is coming together.
Okay.
Because when they see me performing in Accra, they say VGMA, or I'm performing. One time I performed for the president, and even before he became president, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, people see that and say, "Wow, amazing!" So when musicians from here are seen also collaborating with South, like what Sikadam did with Sarkodie, it makes that bond great. Okay. So that tribalism thing is dying out, which is amazing. Secondly, they'll have to work well on their sound.
Okay.
We have to do more on our sound so that we can get airplays and all that in the South. Yeah, for the South, I don't think they have a problem getting songs played here because already, like I said, Tree has gone really wild. Sure. So at least everybody do understand a little. But our languages, we have been a lot back, and that's thanks to the environment we also grew up in. You know, music here when we started, it wasn't easy. People used to look at you like, you have to be a certain kind of person, a girl to be doing music, because you be hanging around. Mostly it was just the guys. You be hanging around guys, all kinds of different people, both Rasta men and all that. When people see you, they think, you must be sleeping with all of them. So because of that mentality, a lot of young girls who even have talent yet wouldn't come out. They are just shy, because that means nobody's going to take you seriously. You're not going to find a good guy at the end, no disrespect and all that. But now it's changing. So I think that held us back a bit. While Saudi musicians were already hitting the international market and all that, we were not even minded. So I think that has been the challenge. But these two things I've mentioned, finally, that bridge is under construction and is building up high. So it's amazing. It's amazing.
The young piano, football now. The also for
Oh, I don't have anything. Maybe when I have a friend, or if my boyfriend or my husband.
My boyfriend, husband, or
I don't even know. He doesn't. He's lazy football. He cannot play. He doesn't like football. He only watch my music. Okay. That's how biased he is.
Always watching my music. Yeah.
Anyway, on a more serious note, I don't have any team unless you have a team that you encourage me to join.
Okay.
Yeah, but I support all the teams. But my favorite team is, of course, Ghana Black Stars.
Yeah. Yes, I remember you made one song.
Yeah, I did a song for them. I mean, I'm very patriotic, unapologetic about it. I'm a typical Ghanaian girl, and I don't hide it. Okay. I love Ghana team, and I love everything Ghana. I love all Ghanaians, both men and women, children, whatever. Whatever I can go and promote Ghana, I'll do it before I now start promoting other things too. Yeah.
Hey, coronavirus, our system, we all know it says for now, money is slow to crack. What by this kind of celebrities, I think some of I'm going to break it. Look to the camera and talk to the camera, at least advise the viewers to be conscious about it. Okay. The pandemic.
Yo, hello, Mijin Duyala. I want to tell you that coronavirus is a real. Yeah. If you joke, you die, and when you die, you're not coming back. So please protect your own. Keep away from people. Keep the 1 meter distance. Wash your hands. Hand sanitizers. Use them, and let's all fight. Please don't be careless. And because of your carelessness, somebody else will catch it. You don't know who might catch it from you and to who. Let's not lose our loved ones. This is just simple instructions. Keep our environment clean and let's stay safe and stay healthy. Ghana, please, from the Lioness of Africa, I say let's all roar Corona out.
I don't know when you Corona number.
This. No, already. I'm an ambassador for WaterAid, so every day I post about the.
There's a music to look actually from.
Yes, and I did some videos.
Okay.
Yeah, if I have to write a song, then I have to start writing it now for you guys because maybe I have to play.
You can
so, but you have to help me.
Really?
Yeah. So give me a line. No, give me a line. Say something about Corona, then we'll sing about it. What name should I say? Wiala featuring. Wiala featuring Osei Kobina right here on the Corona track. Let's go. So that's it. That's the way I can sing. I'm not a musician. Hey, Kobina sana wotie. Are yento kakra. Say something. About Corona.
Yarena bo, Corona ba. Bo bai, bo wonsara tunyama yira bo. Yarena bo, coronavirus ba. So please, look after yourself. We are featuring you. YouTube. Notification bell so na pe dwuma bi a ho begu obiano obenya kwan na onso so wohwedi ye beda yen sister Wiela ase ye wo surprise package bi e de man se na de bia ye no yɛnyɛ celebrate bi a yɛsi ni kɛseɛ na de ketewa bi no aten sɛ mpanyin sɛ wansa ne hwia no fo sɛ ne sɛ yɛtwa ho aba yɛba a yɛbɛkyerɛ package de ma yɛn sister no. Ya said the BI can say Yakuba BI or package on Kubia and the ma ye guest no ye be nti onso so ye be na like me our nice package when you be ho and you can see say oh mo bia bia na ni so I think say very as say so we have a simple and a nice package I think on second when you able to me adding we have this customized T-shirt with a lioness.
Wow!
Like that, so you can roll. You can roll like that. So we have it. We have our.
Oh, thank you so much. So, hey, thank you. Wow.
Yes, the lioness.
Thank you for this.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, as usual, you need to protect yourself from the deadly disease. So we have a customized nose mask.
Oh.
For you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Everybody, wherever we go, we wear our noses. Wait.
Yeah.
Again.
Wait.
Nice.
So we'll be going better. You should give us another team. Because
yes. Okay.
William Shakespeare said it.
So with permission, can I? Yeah. Or leave the nose mask.
You can take it off. I think the distance, the social distance, the distance.
What song should I sing?
Any song of your choice.
Which one?
Any song.
Okay. I think I'll give you Rock My Body.
Okay, let me rock my body.
I need a man to rock my body. A big strong man to rock my body. And if he's ugly, I don't mind. He got that thing and I want to grind, yo, I wanna crush his body. See, from a distance, yeah, me, my rubber, he has body. The face smooth skin, then he looking like a fairy. He proposed strawberry, he got a curly body. Well, he's slim, no, he's taller, he fat or he's big. African, American, no matter where you're from, into you, I belong. Me no go treat you wrong. He ugly, me no business, come on, quick along. You know I love you, oh. I wanna rock the body.
Nice one day. Nice. This rock body.
Rock your body. Rock my body.
Okay.
Like you rock my body. I rock your body.
No problem. Or for either rock your body or I rock your body the same time.
Or me better rock your body.
Yeah. But that's a so good so I watch your name now and then so your personality profile segment, you know. Ugusu I work my catch say bring now no. The beko so e dia bro. The man e celebrities na konya na pe no mo di nkomo akọ o ma hyase bebre e dia e betuma motivations ama yenim bia yen so so ye soro no. Nti e mo sa konya na pe no mo adidi sa nkomo. Ene we ala sa na so mo di no. Ene na betwe nkomo e wo upper west. Wa ton na ne e free e bono east abepi mu. E bia obi e betumi aba. Makache no betuma ye e dia aboa yen so ene se obe subscribe yen channel no Bon Champion TV or YouTube. Your videos are whole baby oh hear me no now we share my own video so why then and you na people say like your page no na page ma be dia no oni akabo amedi then you bring your catch say kan your ho adwuma de ntuli e pam ye de besi ha ne from your best sign ababedi am just so and we say kwabra imano e be dey sister say to answer from so bye nyakopon enka ho